Good morning, everyone. Delhi Police 2024 examination will be held by June to 13 June. Delhi Police Sub Inspector and Central Armed Sports CAPF examination will be held from 9th June to 13th June. Who is willing to join our coaching? Call 7005 828 529. We have exclusive coaching guidance for Delhi Police, including SSC GD, Army, Navy, etc. If you are willing to join us, just drop a WhatsApp in the same number. Uh, our staff will respond as per your query. Delhi Police batch will start from uh, 15 February. So you have 15 days to take admission here. But uh, we will start the batch after joining 15 students by 2nd February. So already we have started the admission session as per the requirement of the students. तो जो लोग दिल्ली पुलिस में ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो तो कोचिंग के लिए अभी संपर्क करें 7005 828 529 इस नंबर पे व्हाट्सएप और कॉल भी कर सकते हो। तो 31 जनवरी तक हमारा एक बम्पर ऑफर है जहाँ पे ही 50% ऑफर मिल जाएगा। तो इफ़ यू वांट टू ज्वाइन आज देन जस्ट ड्रॉप ए WhatsApp or call.